Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to deactivate Facebook account. Now the first thing you have to do is open Facebook, then tap on this icon, then tap on this settings icon, then go to account center. From here go to personal details, then tap on account ownership and control. From here select deactivation or deletion, then tap on this profile, then select deactivate account from here, then tap on continue. Then enter your Facebook password, then tap on continue, then select a region from here, then scroll down, then tap on continue, then tap on continue again. From here tap on deactivate my account, and it's done. Now if you go to Facebook, now you can see my Facebook account has been deactivated successfully. Now to activate your account again, then you have to just log in your Facebook account. If I select my account and give it a moment, and here it is, you can see it's activate again. And that is how you can deactivate Facebook account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.